Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain you two previous year questions of UPSC Mains GS paper 1 of the society section. And in the end of this video, I will tell you what are the resources that I use for the society section of the GS paper 1 mains and how do I make notes for mains. So let's start the video. So question number 1 is explain why suicide among young women is increasing in the Indian society. अब इसमें सुसाइड पे बेसिकली ये क्वेश्चन आया है कि दैट इंडियन जो विमेन है तो वहाँ पे सुसाइड रेट इज इंक्रीजिंग. सो वन वे ऑफ इंट्रोडक्शन कैन बी कि हम जो इंडिया का सुसाइड रेट है उसको हम जो ग्लोबल एवरेज से उससे कंपेयर कर सकते हैं. So here is the introduction that according to the global burden of the disease study, Indian women had twice the suicide death rate as compared to the global average. So this is how we can introduce the question answer. Next, directly we will come to the body part, that reasons behind increasing suicide rates among young women. So firstly, increase awareness of the options available for the young women in terms of education, coupled with discrimination within families with respect to the courses and colleges. This results in the hopelessness and despair, resulting into suicide. Next, failure in exams hits female students harder due to the high opportunity cost for failing in Indian society. For example, quota student deaths, क्योंकि स्टूडेंट फिर खुद को दूसरों से कंपेयर करने लगते हैं और वो इनफैक्ट अपने पीयर ग्रुप से भी कंपेयर करते हैं एंड देन दे फील होपलेस दैट दे आर नॉट एबल टू क्लियर द एग्जामिनेशन, दैट हाउ विल दे फेस द सोसाइटी. सो दिस इज द पॉइंट वी कैन राइट इन दिस क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट, थर्ड इज मैनी अ टाइम्स प्रोफेशनल डिग्री इज रिड्यूस्ड टू मेयर इंस्ट्रूमेंट फॉर फाइंडिंग ए सुटेबल ग्रूम. मोस्टली ये बनिया कम्युनिटी में देखा जाता है कि जो career break होता है post marriage among women in many household. So it can be an example for that. Next, fourth, financial dependence of the female increases their vulnerability to abuse, leading resentment and suicide. Next, if allowed to work post marriage, the dual burden of the household responsibility as well as the work responsibility increases stress and anxiety in the women. Next, young mothers have increased pressure to leave job to take care of the child. So ये disproportionate burden को show करता है कि Indian women पे disproportionate burden है as compared to their spouses. Next, at workplace, wage gap, glass ceiling like discriminatory practices along with sexual harassment has been seen as a leading cause of death via suicide. Lastly, we will conclude saying that suicide among young women is a multifaceted issue, addressing which require a comprehensive approach from addressing mental health issues to sharing proportionate burden among families. So this was the conclusion part of the answer. So again, I will revise this answer once again for you to understand it properly. So question में we were asked, explain why suicide among young women is increasing in Indian society. इंट्रोडक्शन पार्ट में हम या तो कोई रेडिली अवेलेबल डेटा दे सकते हैं या फिर हम जो इंडियन सोसाइटी का जो सुसाइड रेट है उसको हम ग्लोबल एवरेज से कंपेयर कर सकते हैं, व्हाट आई हैव एक्चुअली डन इन द क्वेश्चन. सो हियर इंट्रोडक्शन में अकॉर्डिंग टू द ग्लोबल बर्डन ऑफ द डिजीज स्टडी, इंडियन वीमेन हैड ट्वाइस द सुसाइड रेट एज कंपेयर टू द ग्लोबल एवरेज. Next, the body part of the answer, that reasons behind increasing suicide among young women. Firstly, increase opportunity, जो increase awareness about the options available and coupled with the discrimination within the families with respect to the courses and colleges that leads to hopelessness and despair resulting in suicides. Next, failure in examination, then many a time professional degrees is reduced to mere being instrument for finding a suitable groom. Example of that is career break post marriage among women in many households. Next, financial dependence on their spouses increases women's vulnerability to abuse, leading to resentment and suicide. Next, if they are allowed to work post marriage, that increases their burden and dual burden hota hai unpe, that creates stress and anxiety. Then young mothers have increased pressure to leave job to take care of their child. At workplaces, wage gap, glass ceiling like discriminatory practices along with the sexual harassment has been seen as a leading cause of death via suicide. Lastly, we concluded saying that suicide among young women is a multifaceted issue, addressing which requires a comprehensive approach from addressing mental health issues to sharing the proportionate burden among families. अब ये 10 मार्क का क्वेश्चन था, इसीलिए हमने इंट्रोडक्शन में बताया कि सुसाइड रेट क्या है इंडियन सोसाइटी का एज कम्पेयर टू ग्लोबल एवरेज. देन वी डायरेक्टली कम टू द बॉडी पार्ट ऑफ द आंसर कि रीजन क्या है इंडियन विमेन, जो इंडियन यंग विमेन के सुसाइड रेट इंक्रीज होने के. अब ये 10 मार्क का क्वेश्चन था, इसीलिए हमने ये अप्रोच फॉलो किया. अगर 15 मार्क का क्वेश्चन होता है यहाँ पे, तो हम यहाँ पे सजेशंस देते दैट हाउ कैन दिस सुसाइड रेट बी रिड्यूस्ड एंड हाउ कैन वी हेल्प वीमेन. सो 15 मार्कर में यहाँ पे वे फॉरवर्ड हम दे सकते थे, लेकिन 10 मार्क का क्वेश्चन था, इसीलिए हमें डायरेक्टली बॉडी पार्ट पे आए. हमने जो कंसर्न्स थे वो अपने बताए एंड देन वी कंक्लूडेड. सो विल कम टू द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन नाउ. सो सेकेंड क्वेश्चन is diversity and pluralism in India under threat due to globalization? Justify your answer. So firstly, a keyword here is globalization. So introduction part में we will define globalization. उसके बाद हम globalization को लिंक करेंगे with the diversity and pluralism in India, that how it is affecting the diversity and pluralism in India. So firstly, introduction part में we will define globalization. So here, globalization is the process of increased interdependence, interconnectedness and integration of economies and societies to such an extent that change in one part of the world affect other parts as well. So this is the introduction part. Now a linking statement so that our answer seems to be linked with the question itself, that the effect of globalization is far-reaching, posing threat to the diversity and pluralism by promoting cultural homogenization, at the same time strengthening the local culture through hybridization. So here you will see, अब इस linking statement में what I have done is, I have briefly summarized that what I am going to discuss ahead. So हम अपने body part में I am going to discuss about the cultural homogenization and at the same time about the hybridization. So this is the linking statement, as well as it will show examiner that the person has understood what I have asked in the question. So next we will come to the body part here onwards. Homogenization of culture due to globalization, that how it is posing threat to the diversity and culture of the India. So firstly, English language emerging as a medium of mass communication in corporate houses and educational institutions, that leads to undermining of the local dialect. Second, McDonaldization of food habits, threatening local cuisines. Then Western clothing has replaced traditional Indian clothes. Opening of market for global products has threatened Indian handicrafts since long. And one example can be China flooding Indian markets with toys and other products. Then obsession with Western music and dance forms has undermined significance of traditional dance forms such as Mohiniyattam and Carnatic music, etc. Next, diversity with respect to the customs and traditions. For example, due to secularization, court marriages are replacing traditional forms of Indian marriages. Up we will come to the second part, that how it is helping in preserving the diversity and pluralism. So hybridization is the main heading part. Firstly, modification of the Western cuisines to suit the Indian taste. Example is gobi Manchurian, and one more example is जो मैकडोनल्ड की आलू टिक्की है, that is one of the example. Next, emergence of fusion dance and music forms. Along with the local languages, various foreign languages are also taught in the educational institutes such as Spanish and French. Next, dubbing of Western cinema in the regional languages. Emergence of English. English means local language plus English. Then lastly, revival of local culture, that how this globalization is helping in revival of the local culture. First, recognizing the role of traditional medicines such as Ayurveda, benefits of yoga being recognized throughout the world, promotion of education in mother tongue, religious revivalism through various events such as Bhagavad Katha. So lastly, we will conclude saying that therefore globalization has not only led to the homogenization but also diffusion of ideas and cultures, thereby strengthening the local culture itself. Again, I will revise this question once again for you to understand it better. So this was the question, that is diversity and pluralism in India under threat due to globalization? Justify your answer. So here अभी हमें एक कीवर्ड दिया गया है ग्लोबलाइजेशन. So we will start by the globalization itself, that what do we mean by the globalization. Introduction part में we defined the globalization, that it is the process of increased interdependence, interconnectedness and integration of economies and societies to such an extent that change in one part of the world affect the other parts as well. Next, we will put forward a linking statement of the question to the answer itself. So here we will show what we are going to discuss in our answer coming ahead. So here the effect of globalization is far reaching, posing threat to the diversity and pluralism by promoting the cultural homogenization, at the same time strengthening the local culture through hybridization. So अब इस linking statement में हमने direct एग्जामिनर को हिंट दिया है that we are not getting away from the question and we have understood what is the demand of the question, and now we are going to discuss about the cultural homogenization, that is a threat to the diversity and pluralism, and then we will talk about how it is strengthening the local culture through the hybridization concept. So the body part में first part, homogenization of culture due to globalization. Then we talked about the English language, that how it is undermining the local dialect. Then McDonaldization of food habits, Western clothing, opening of market for global products, obsession with Western music and dance forms. Then diversity with respect to customs and traditions. Second part में we'll discuss preservation of diversity and pluralism due to globalization. So first we'll talk about the hybridization, then we will talk about the revival of local culture. Hybridization में modification of Western cuisines to suit the Indian taste. Example is gobi Manchurian. Then emergence of fusion dance and music forms. Then along with the local language, various foreign languages are also taught in the educational institutes such as Spanish and French. Dubbing of Western cinema in regional languages. Emergence of English such as local language plus English. Revival of local culture, for example recognizing the role of traditional medicines, for example Ayush and Ayurveda. Benefits of yoga recognized throughout the world. Promotion of education in mother tongue. Religious revivalism through various religious events like Bhagavad Katha. Lastly, we concluded saying that therefore globalization has not only led to the homogenization but also diffusion of ideas and culture, thereby strengthening the local culture itself. So having discussed these answers, we come to the resources part of the society section. Firstly, I have sociology as my optional, that helps me to understand these social concepts better, and I am able to write these answers easily. Secondly, society section के लिए if you are from the any other optional background, so you can choose Smriti ma'am's handwritten notes. So they are freely available. You can download them either from Telegram or from any other source. So उनके मैम के नोट्स बहुत हेल्पफुल है, स्मृति मैम के नोट्स, तो वहाँ पे रेडिली मेड कंटेंट है और इजीली यू कैन राइट योर आंसर्स. एंड नोट्स मेकिंग के लिए फॉर सोशियोलॉजी ऑप्शनल पीपल, it is not necessary for you to make notes for society section. You have to just write the previous year questions and that will suffice for you. And the or people who do not have the sociology optional, for you download the PDF of the notes, or you can purchase the available notes in the market. Any other notes if you are following, that is also good. बट वट यू कैन डू इज, आप प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन उठाइए, उसके बाद आप उस कंसेप्ट को अच्छे से पढ़िए एंड देन स्टार्ट राइटिंग द आंसर. और अगर आपके पास आंसर के लिए कंटेंट नहीं है, देन डू गूगल सर्च और डू रीड एनी 3-4 वेबसाइट, कंपाइल द कंटेंट ऑन वन पेज एंड देन राइट द प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन. सो मेंस के नोट्स मेकिंग का इंटीग्रेशन यहाँ पे होता है कि जो मेंस के नोट्स होते हैं वो हमारे PYQs के बेस पे ही बनते हैं, और जो सब्जेक्ट में जो सब्जेक्ट वाइज हमारा सिलेबस होता है, तो सोसाइटी का आप सिलेबस देखिए और उसके अकॉर्डिंगली PYQs को इंटीग्रेट करिए एंड देन अपने मेंस के नोट्स रेडी कीजिए. So I hope you find this video helpful, and please lastly I will say that give me remarks in the comment section so that I am able to know how much people are liking my videos, and please give remarks. You can give marks out of 10 in this question, and you can either suggest improvement, what are the improvements that I can make in my videos. And so this is it. Thank you so much.